Hello everyone, ये है हमारे कलर्स। ब्लू कलर, ब्लैक कलर, ग्रे कलर, वाइट कलर, रेड कलर, डार्क ब्लू कलर, पिंक कलर, ऑरेंज कलर, ग्रीन कलर, येलो कलर। आज हम सीखेंगे F for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes. Add to Z alphabets, capital letters. A for aeroplane, F for aeroplane. B for bus, B for bus. C for car, C for car. D for dolphin, D for dolphin. E for ear, E for ear. F for fruits, G for giraffe, G for giraffe. H for hand, I for ice cream, J for jellyfish, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nails, O for onion, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rainbow, S for swan, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for water, X for X-ray, Y for yak, Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.